Hello everybody, my name is Bo and I'm 9 years old. Today we're gonna get you how to edit sounds. So let's go to sounds. There's faster. High pitch. I didn't like high pitch. Let's get slower. I mean louder. Too loud. How about softer? Mute? Definitely not mute. How about fade in? That makes it uncontrollable. And fade out. Not even close. Reverse. That sounded not good. Robot? No, definitely no. Copy and paste. Paste. Paste? Definitely not. Copy and new. That's cool. I'll delete the whole thing. Even gooder. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. And remember to subscribe. None of you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe. And my first channel. But subscribe to this channel first. Please. We are almost at 10 subscribers. So do subscribe. And on your screen you can see that a video that I live stream, my first live stream on my first channel. So do watch it. Do subscribe too. Really, none of you subscribe. We can reach 10 subscribers.